Well, here's another car. Well, it's one of a couple we'll show you. This is the first one. It's late. I'm not a Camaro guy, so don't, if I get the year wrong, I think it's late 70s. It's an RS. It's been, well, obviously sitting here for a long time, and I'm pretty sure it came in this yard in this condition, or close to this condition, but it's got the usual moss and rear quarter rot, but it's got the factory, I believe it's all factory for rims, just missing the hubcaps. It's an automatic car. Console, dash looks pretty good, it's just dirt. Seats are garbage, the headliner is garbage, the rear seat is definitely, it looks like someone was or something was eating it. But it's got well, the rockers are still there. I don't know, I'll see what the floors are like. There's the back floor. Well, for the back floor, for being wet, the back floor looks pretty good. The front floor, I think it has a little bit of issues, but yeah, it's got a little bit of issues, but I'm pretty sure all of these cars, if they've been sitting, have issues. Like most cars, they have problems with the rust. But the front fender isn't bad. It's a little surface rusty, but no major damage. Got the front missing the grill and busted grill, which makes it easy to pop the hood. And yeah, it's obviously seized, lots of mice poop, no rad. Someone's been either pilfering parts or it came like this, probably came like this. It's missing lots of parts, but it's an RS. I don't know if that's a 305 or 350. I don't know if RSs of this year were anything special or if it was just a paint trim, because it's a two-tone. It's missing the door on this side. We've never seen it. But it's a Camaro. It's got potential for those guys that like these things. They would need a definite parts car, and we might have a parts car if you look in the next part of the video. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you can tell if this is some sort of special RS. I doubt it, but so yeah, it's Rally Sport Camaro. Oh, the door is, I didn't notice that. Door is gone. Maybe that's why they took the other door off. Maybe it rotted away. But yeah, we'll show you the next one. We'll be back in a couple minutes, or in 2 seconds in your time.
Okay, here's another Camaro. It's going to need the ultimate set of tools to put this back together. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Fast Time at Richmond High, good movie, Mr. Han. But this is, I think, a 78, 79. It's actually a fairly solid car, and actually was fairly low kilometers on it. It's just a shame over the years somebody's actually robbed a whole bunch of stuff out of the gutted the dash and whoever did it actually took the time to do it nicely, so that's kind of a nice. But you can see the original gold paint and the turbine rims. That was probably a really hot ticket back in the day. The interior's still somewhat decent, but like I said, it's just a shame that somebody's took the dash right apart.
And it was a 4-speed car.
Yeah, I think it was just a Saginaw. But yeah, this car probably would be, like I said, they're not my favorite cars, but when done up right, they actually are pretty nice. So taillights are super nice in this thing, and it's pretty decent. Not sure the last time they was on the road.
I know the stickers are faded. Hard hat in the back.
Hard hat. So yeah, somebody worked for Manitoba Highways Department. It was probably a chick magnet back in the day. Just a regular small block. I'm not sure what it is, but 305 or 350 of one of the two. I'm sure. Sure people can tell me, but I don't feel like looking at the numbers. And I do believe this motor's locked up. I said there's a few parts cars around here, so this could also get put back together. Maybe painted Astro Blue, who knows, like the old one back in the day. But anyway, hope you like these little videos about Camaros. I know there's a bunch of you guys out there, so anyway, like and subscribe. If you would have had this car back in the day in 78, 79, this car would have been a panty peeler. Guaranteed. Even with these ugly rims. Have a good one, guys. Okay, here's another parts car for the Camaros. If there was ever, we needed any little small trinkets off this. This thing's pretty much been stripped. There's probably not too much good left on it, but you never know. The odd thing here and there. They are starting to get harder to find, but
Fenders, oh.
the doors are over there for it, so. Here's the front bumper off the gold one.
Ugh.
It may make a good enduro. I think that's where this one would be survived. And that's, there's a speed hole. Yeah.
If you need a window.
Yeah, I guess maybe the window's probably good. I don't know if they repop them, but you know how old the car is when you're seeing these beer bottles.
There might be root beer bottles. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm thinking you might be right.
They might be old A&W or Hires root beer.
Yeah, I'd say Hires, I think. Yeah, there's probably not too much good left on this one.
No.
Hate to say all this thing's probably good for if ever somebody ever wanted to do it, is make it into a round year round car.
I think it's too far for that.
Yeah. You never know.
It's a parts car. The windows cracked. Windows.
Yeah.
But might have some bolts and nuts for the other ones.
You definitely wouldn't be picking any chicks up in this one.
Well, you could, but not the ones you really want.
Anyway, hope you like the little video on these Camaros.